Are you in favor of trans women joining a women's competition and why?
Thank you so much. This is the most crucial part of the competition, as we are not just being scored because of beauty but also our intellectual capacity. Now, if I am going to recap the question that was asked to me, am I in favor of transgender women joining Miss Universe or competitions that are intended for women or biological women? It is my childhood dream to join Miss Universe. This is also my childhood dream to step on the stage of Miss Universe. However, part of that dream is also considering the boundaries of womanhood in terms of biologicalness. Ladies and gentlemen, my parents raised me in a sense that I should be respecting limits and boundaries of people. And I must be saying that transgender woman, I'm sorry to say this, but I'm not in favor of women joining Miss Universe competition. Simply because the Miss Universe competition was created in order for us to celebrate womanhood. And that womanhood, or part of it, is in order for them to share stories. Part of the stories is the process of growing from being a young lady into becoming a fine woman. And unfortunately, as a transgender, I don't have such. I did not experience menstruation. I did not experience pregnancy. And I would want that to be highlighted in Miss Universe. It's because I would want the woman to celebrate what they have, and that is full womanhood. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, we should be respecting the boundaries that was given to us. And I am very much thankful. It's because we have Miss International Queen in place, not just in the Philippines, but is also recognized internationally, which can be a good platform for us transgender women to tell our stories, to tell our transition moments. We don't need to step into the platform of women. It's because we have our own platforms. Ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that if I will be empowering women, they will also empower us as trans women. Thank you and good evening.